Hello to the best audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Guess what we are going to make today? It is the time for apple and chocolate cookies. And for that we need butter, we need sugar, soda, egg. Let's mix all of these ingredients together. You can use also melted butter to make it easier for you. And let's add also some flour. Continue mixing this. If you need, you have to use also your hands because the dough is going to be is not going to be a light one. So let's add also the cut it down apple chocolate bars, which is also cut it down, and continue mixing all of these ingredients together. Whenever you have it ready, let's make one whole round slice out of it and cut it down into several pieces and make some lines out of it. We are going to cook this separately, but before that we have one more step. So all you have to do is mix in cinnamon with the sugar and continually cover it with the bars, and then cook it and ready to be tasted.